Ventricular septal defect. Instruction by the examiner. Examine the precordium or palpate and auscultate the precordium. Presentation of a case. On inspection, nothing significant. On palpation, apex beat in left intercostal space, centimeter from midline, normal in character, systolic frill present in left parasternal area, third or fourth intercostal space. On auscultation, first and second heart sounds are normal in all areas. Pansystolic murmur in left parasternal area in third or fourth intercostal space with no radiation. So my diagnosis is ventricular septal defect. Mid-diastolic murmur due to increased flow through mitral valve, third heart sound may be present. Now, what are the differential diagnoses? The differential diagnoses are MR, TR. Why not this is MR? In mitral regurgitation, findings are first heart sound is soft. Pansystolic murmur in mitral area which radiates towards the left axilla. Why not this is tricuspid regurgitation? In tricuspid regurgitation, findings are JBP is raised, giant V wave may be present, oscillating up to the air lobule. First heart sound is soft in tricuspid area. Pansystolic murmur in left lower parasternal area. No radiation, louder with inspiration. Liver is enlarged, tender and pulsatile. Mention one investigation to confirm your diagnosis, color Doppler echocardiogram. Now, what are the causes of VSD? Commonly congenital may be associated with Turner syndrome, Down syndrome or maternal rubella, maternal diabetes mellitus, maternal phenylketonuria, maternal alcohol consumption during pregnancy. Acquired rupture of interventricular septum after acute myocardial infarction. Rarely trauma. RV pacing with septal puncture, complication of alcohol septal ablation. What is the common site of VSD? Commonly in the perimembranous part of intraventricular septum in 90% cases. Is the loudness of murmur related to size of VSD? Small VSD is associated with loud murmur. Large defect is associated with soft murmur. Now, what are the types of VSD according to site? 4 types: perimembranous, infracrystal, conoventricular, beneath the aortic valve, supracrystal, conal septal, infundibular, subarterial outlet, below the pulmonary valve. Muscular, trabecular, occur in the muscular septum, can cause spontaneously. Posterior, canal type, endocardial cushion type, AV septum type, inlet, lie posterior to the septal leaflet of tricuspid valve. Now, what are the types of ventricular septal defect according to the size? What are the presentations or clinical features? 3 types according to the size: small VSD, Melody de Roser, usually asymptomatic, close spontaneously, systolic murmur is loud and prolonged. Later, aortic regurgitation or endocarditis may occur even after spontaneous closure. Moderate ventricular septal defect, patient present with fatigue and dyspnea. Heart is usually enlarged. Apex beat is shifted. Systolic frill with pansystolic murmur at the left lower sternal edge. Large VSD, murmur is soft, may lead to pulmonary hypertension and Eisenmenger's complex may result. Now, what are the complications of VSD? The complications are infective endocarditis, more in small VSD, pulmonary hypertension with reversal of shunt, Eisenmenger syndrome, heart failure. Note, when Eisenmenger syndrome develops, there is cyanosis, clogging with signs of pulmonary hypertension. Pansystolic murmur disappears due to equalization of pressure in right and left ventricle. Now, what investigations do you suggest in ventricular septal defect? ECG shows left ventricular hypertrophy, biventricular hypertrophy. X-ray chest shows cardiomegaly, large pulmonary conus, large hilar arteries, plethoric lung fields. Echocardiography, preferably color Doppler. Cardiac catheterization may be necessary in some cases. Cardiac magnetic resonance (CMR) angiography may be helpful. Now, what are the causes of plethoric lung field? atrial septal defect, ventricular septal defect, PDA, also in CCA. How to treat ventricular septal defect? Small VSD with normal pulmonary artery pressure. Surgery is not needed. Follow-up should be done. Spontaneous closure may occur in infants if it is in the muscular part. Prophylactic penicillin for subacute bacterial endocarditis. Reassurance and encourage normal life. Moderate to large VSD, surgical correction open or percutaneous. Percutaneous transcatheter closure may be done. Medical therapy, prophylaxis for subacute bacterial endocarditis. Diuretics. When Eisenmenger syndrome develops, surgery is contraindicated as it aggravates right-sided heart failure. Following treatments are given: diuretic, digoxin in some cases. Venesection in polycythemia, heart-lung transplantation may be done. Mortality rate is high than heart transplantation alone. Now, what are the indications of surgery in ventricular septal defect? When pulmonary to systemic flow ratio is more than 2:1, left ventricular dilatation, left ventricular dysfunction, recurrent endocarditis, development of aortic regurgitation, acute rupture of interventricular septum following acute myocardial infarction. What are the contraindications of surgery in ventricular septal defect? Development of severe irreversible pulmonary hypertension with reversal of shunt, that is Eisenmenger syndrome. What is the impact of pregnancy in VSD? In small VSD, no problem in pregnancy, but in moderate to large VSD with pulmonary hypertension, right ventricular failure may develop. So pregnancy should be avoided in pulmonary hypertension.